In this tutorial, we will learn how to create accessible PDF files and presentations that will integrate into Blackboard Ally. In this example, I have saved a PowerPoint presentation using 5 different methods. The Blackboard accessibility indicators provide some indication of the accessibility rating for each of these files. Let's take a closer look at each of these files. The first version of this presentation was saved as a PowerPoint presentation in a PPTX format. The file had no accessibility checking performed. The second file is an exported PDF version of PowerPoint A from above. Notice the low accessibility indicator. The third presentation is a PowerPoint that has been checked using the accessibility checker in PowerPoint. This file was then uploaded with a PPTX extension. Notice the accessibility rating. The fourth presentation is the same PowerPoint presentation B as above, but this presentation has been exported to a PDF file format from PowerPoint. Notice that the file accessibility rating has fallen just like presentation A's PDF export. The last presentation is the same as the original presentation A file after accessibility checking and PDF conversion using Adobe's Acrobat Pro. Notice that this is the only PDF file that has 100% accessibility approval. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at each one of these. Once I select the accessibility indicator for the first PowerPoint A that has not been checked, you'll notice that automatically the accessibility indicator draws our attention to the Lewis University logo and the image that we have for Bloom's taxonomy here. What you'll see here is that we're at a 52% rating, and it says the presentation contains images that are missing descriptions. We can select on the tools here to get suggestions on what exactly that means and how to correct the situation. We can select the second file here, and we will see that this is the same as the PowerPoint presentation A, except this time it was saved as a PDF version. And I want to draw your attention to the low accessibility score here of just 6%. Notice that we have not outlined anything, and the directions say that this is not a tagged PDF. And what it's doing is basically telling us that we're missing a variety of the labels for any types of images or content. We'll go ahead and close this one. The third one is a second PowerPoint, but it's after we've run it through PowerPoint's accessibility checker. So PowerPoint has a built-in accessibility checker that we'll be looking at in just a minute. Notice that's a perfect score. But what happens if we take that same PowerPoint with the perfect score and export it from PowerPoint as a PDF? We have the same problem. We end up with a 6% tagged PDF. So we can think that we created a perfect PowerPoint presentation but still have problems. The last one that I want to show you is a a PDF that was converted and tagged using Adobe Acrobat Pro. And you'll notice that that's the only PDF here that has 100% compliance with Blackboard's Ally's accessibility indicator. In the second part of this video tutorial, we will look how to better prepare our documents and presentations for PDF export. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. For more information, please visit us at the Faculty Center for the Advancement of Teaching and Learning.